Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're isolating for a variable. Okay, in the first case, we're solving for x, so we want x equals something at the end. So we can square both sides, and we get m minus nx equals p squared. And then we can subtract m from both sides. We got negative nx equals p squared minus m. Let's divide both sides by negative n. We got p squared minus m over negative n, which you could rewrite as like multiplying numerator and denominator by negative 1. We get a positive m, negative p squared, and a positive n in the denominator. Okay, the next one, solving for x squared, we'll subtract a from both sides. We get b minus a equals x squared. Now when you square root and there's no context here, we can write positive negative root of b minus a. Don't forget the positive negative part. Okay, next one we got x in two different locations here. Oh, sorry, we're solving for y in this case. So, oh yeah, we do have y in two different locations. But in general, when you have a fraction, you want to get rid of that first. So we'll multiply by x. We'll get ay plus x equals 4x minus xy. And what you want to do is you want to get your y's on one side. So I'm going to add this to the other side. And I'm going to do minus x to both sides. So I'm going to have a 3x over here. And the way we handle this is we can factor out the y. Okay, and then divide, and we get 3x over a plus x. Okay, we'll do the same thing the next one. And the next one we're solving for v. Okay, and we have to do the same thing. We have to multiply both sides by the denominator. So we're going to have u times v minus w plus 1 equals v plus w minus 1. We'll multiply it out. uv equals uw plus u. Sorry, that should be a minus there. Equals v plus w minus u. We're solving for v, so we'll get the v's on one side. uv minus v. And all this comes over to the other side, so we get v plus w minus 1 plus u w plus, minus u. Again, we're going to factor out the v. And then we have u minus 1 equals, and same thing. So next we just divide by u minus 1. So v equals this whole thing. v plus w minus 1 plus uv minus u all over u minus 1.